Yep, that's the queue line. I'm gonna go ahead and go through. I had to get on a ride that thing one time. It's cool. Nike Town, just like in Chicago. Subway in downtown Detroit, baby. Beautiful. Whoa. Yep. That's the queue line, Detroit, baby. What is up? And let me tell you something special about being down here in Detroit, man. Motown, muscle cars. Yep, that's that queue line. You don't hear some of these sounds where you guys are from. Fox Theater. In fact, we're down by Eminem's Mom Spaghetti. I don't know if it's open. Lululemon. $2.91. That's the queue line, baby. Want you to hear them sounds, man. And a lot of cities are doing more of this right now to really beautify the area. We have Comerica Park to the right. All I know is Mom Spaghetti is by Fox Theater, Eminem's little restaurant. I don't think it's open tonight. If it is, your man will have to go there and get some spaghetti. But maybe I can go this week. All right? See, that's where the Detroit Lions play. It's down one of these streets. Fox Theaters to my left. A lot of history here, man. A lot of history. Okay, Little Caesars Arena. Okay, 75 South. There's a lot of traffic. It's Little Caesars Arena to our left. You're getting a lot here, baby. Beautiful building. The Illiches are stacked on stacked on stacked. Money on money on money. Condos. Right? If you have the money, you can flip the area. If you don't, then you just, that's here. Wayne State's Mike Ilitch School of Business, man. We in the real. Okay, there's no other place like this in the world. So wherever you guys are watching from, put it in. I'm from the Motor City right now, baby. Where are you guys from?